Swathing is often a bottleneck in the forage harvesting system. With more and more powerful harvesting machines, but small forage quantities during the late mowing period, swathers must be efficient and versatile at the same time. The forage harvesting specialists from Claas have completed their liner range with two models, Liner 1650 Twin with 6.8 metres and Liner 1750 with 8 metres working width. For road transport, the total width of the swather is reduced to 4 metres with no need to remove any of the tine bars. The carrying frame ensures a safe and quick road travel at 50 kilometres per hour. Here we're on the way with our top model, Liner 1750. It's already early autumn, so yields are very low. A good opportunity for the liner to prove its versatility. By grouping several swaths together, we'll try to satisfy the veracity of our harvesting machine. Making few big swaths instead of many small ones keeps ground damage low because the number of rounds in the field with heavy follow-up machines is reduced. Furthermore, in sloping or partially wet terrain, it becomes easier to move the swath to places where the harvesting machine can pass without difficulty. With 17-inch tyres and active steering facility, the main running gear of the Liner 1750 is moving extremely gently over the ground. Swathing around a 90-degree corner is no problem at all. For many years, Claas fit their swathers with constant lubricated oil bath gear cases, and this technology can also be found on this new swather generation. Constant lubrication reduces maintenance considerably. Simply locked by a spring bracket, the Profix system, tine bars can be removed comfortably without tools. Bearing tubes and tine bars are connected to each other via a multi-tooth profile with minimum backlash. This practical support is provided for spare tine bars, or can be used to stow several tine bars during winter storage. We are happy to see that our liner handles the short grass with utmost precision, even at high forward speed. The Claas engineers have developed many practical details, for instance a drive shaft support, a foldable stand requiring no lock pins, and on the Liner 1750, steplessly adjustable stops for the rotor lifting height on the headlands. For transport to the next field, the liner is folded together in a practical and time-saving way. The swathing curtain automatically folds down, and the transport safety equipment locks into engagement as the rotors are lowered. Our next job requires a different adjustment of the raking height. We will have to lay dry forage in swaths on a 5-hectare lot with slopes. A crank is provided as standard, whilst a comfortable option permits in-cab adjustment using the Claas standard terminal and the tractor hydraulics. The clearly visible height indicator on the rotor undercarriage is a useful feature, helping to find the best setting in a trice. One of the strong points of the liner is the enormous rotor lifting height, which permits even the biggest swaths in the headlands to be driven over without problem. The wheels of the rotor undercarriages are steered and have pendulous suspension for a precise guidance of the tines over the ground contours. Swathing can be speeded up without concern. The liner side delivery swathers have excellent contour following characteristics, even in sloping conditions. The new swathers, Liner 1650 Twin and Liner 1750, give grassland farms disposing of their own equipment with the flexibility they need. Even in case of low yields, they permit the potential of high-capacity forage harvesting systems to be utilized to the full. Convincing features are excellent ground following, good stability on slopes, as well as many useful and time-saving features. The Liner 1750 sets new standards for working width and rates of work.